Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys, Pisces. So let's see what are these cards. We have cards flying out of the deck here, guys, so we will go with those cards here, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So we have Tower, Emperor in reverse, and Seven of Wands. So Pisces, in your situation today, guys, you are putting in lot of efforts, you are struggling to do something. Maybe you have people competing with you today, guys, in your work or in your relationship. Maybe this person considers you as their inspiration, someone they need to match up to, so they are some kind of a positive struggle. They envy you, it may be in a positive sense, guys, and they see you as a competition. But I see that you are having that advantage in your situation today. Maybe your efforts and skills are too good. So, in your work or in your relationship, you are shining brightly, coming out much more stronger than before, guys, Pisces. And they simply admire you for your beautiful qualities, guys, Pisces. Your person you love or people in your work situation. And you are someone really compassionate, you are someone who is really helpful, supportive to the people around you, and that is what makes you very charming and attractive person. People flock to you, they simply are there to take your guidance and help in any possible way. So you are a really helpful person, resourceful person. And Pisces, today you may see some drastic changes also, guys, in your situation. Maybe there are some inevitable changes coming towards you. It may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. Maybe this person may feel, maybe for some of you, it may even be a negative kind of a envy. So they may feel that they can never win over you, or they can never win in the race. So they can never do better than you. So for some of them, it may be true jealousy, and they just want to avoid you. They want to leave you for that reason, guys, maybe. And maybe for some of you, it may be some drastic changes in your work situation. So some things may change, maybe some projects may get suspended or delayed. But you need to understand, Pisces, these changes are necessary to bring something more positive and much more better in your life today, guys. That is the reason for this change happening today. You need not worry. Maybe today it is something stressful, but you need to understand that something has to give way for something much more better to come in our life, guys. So that is what is happening today in your life, Pisces. You need not worry. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So any doubts or confusions, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, move on to this and then this. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will leave these cards here. we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is flexible. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, we must be able to open up to a new relationship, to learn new things in that relationship, have that new experience. And what is needed of you right now is let go of your rigidity. You don't need to be right always. Sometimes that other person is also right. So you have to be ready for a happy compromise if you want to work things between you both. And the appearance of this card in a reading just means that you have met someone, but this person may not be up to your expectations. They may not be your dream person. But you need to let go of your ideas and expectation to see the truth. Maybe this person may not be up to your dreams or your expectations, but they are someone who is here, who may be right, and with whom you will feel you will connect in a different way and in a more beautiful way, and you will be happy that you have made the choice. But you need to be flexible to go for that connection, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the red shoes, obsession. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you have chosen something, some path or some habit or some thing you considered as good for you, a recreation, a desire, something wonderful you feel, but it has taken over your life. It has made you a slave. So you are a slave to these addictions or some habits, and it is an unhealthy attachment that you have. It may be something you have on a person or a habit or a circumstance. You need to free yourself of your compulsion, guys, and you need to seek help and gain control of your life today, because these addictions are taking over you. These compulsive behaviors are changing the way things are in your life, and it has gone to that extent. So you need to be really careful, work on that. It is these compulsions are affecting the way you are in this relationship, the way you behave, and your life in general. So you need to take back your power. You should not give anyone or anything power over you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this card, we have Archangel Zadkiel. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us today, guys. And this angel card just means compassion and forgiveness. Maybe it is time for us to forgive ourselves for the mistakes we did in the past, or for the mistakes that our person did, and we need to move on our life and forgive that person and have that awareness, guys. See things with a broader perspective and a deeper understanding for everyone around us, maybe with this person we love. So when we see things from a different perspective, we understand that whatever happened is no one's mistake. It is all due to our circumstances. And we have to feel compassion towards ourselves and towards the people who are in relationship with us, and move on in our life, guys. Forgive ourselves and forgive that other person. That is the only way we can heal from these deep emotional wounds that we have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.